Are you looking for to change autofill information on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, move into the settings. Inside the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and move into apps. In this page, search for the web browser Safari. Once found, click on it. Inside the page, scroll down and in the section of General, you will find Autofill. Click on it. You can see with the help of your contact or credit card information, the autofill is being used. In order for you to edit, click on My Information. You will see My Card. Click on it. In this page, tap on Edit at the top right corner of the screen. In this page, you will see all the information that you have added. Simply change it and remove the information. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.